probably shouldn't say this, but at times I get so scared when I think about the previous environment we shared. It's the thought that you decide, it's a possible for us not here. And now we're suffering in pain, and it is hard for us to change the things we live. You said it is saying about us. You said it is saying about us. Oh, us. And I said you're not falling for, not gonna be seen out on. Say it to us, say it to us, but now I know about to laugh. Nothing is nothing, it's not the issue, no it's dead. It's been out for years, of the planet Earth. And the saddest thing I hate the most about us, the global warming. It's not hard and silent, now wait for you to end. What you need to see now, it's higher like hell. If you mean it, I believe it. If you do it, I will get it. Let us see. Oh, you need to come back. You're taking 7 steps here. The third seven is like a button. That's all the rest of walking up. The flowers seen and hear. Say it's blood, say it's feeling. That's all that or fight back in your mind. Now you said that when you look for hard and it's supported. We want to save the environment. And the 7th thing I like the most about us, the 7 wonders.